Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expedition. In this short video, I'm going to be looking at gradient once again. After a very long time, I decided to look at it. They appear to have evolved immensely since the last time based on the new narrative. New iterations, the project may turn out huge, so I'm starting to look at it again. They also just introduced season one of the I believe it's an airdrop event. So let's look at the latest. Okay, so it takes the form of an extension. If you want an invite code, I can't remember if it requires an invite code. You'll have the invite code in the description. So this is how the extension is looking like. If you are just starting now, it will be a seamless experience to set this up. If you have started in the past, you may need to update your extension. So you go to extensions, developer mode, update, stuff like that. Okay. But at the moment, it looks like the status of my node is good. So basically, you are providing a node, it's a light node using the browser extension, and you are supporting like decentralized storage that powers AI, decentralized AI. So if you look here, you will notice that they've now added two additional AI related projects powered by Gradient. One of it is Parallax, a decentralized chat LLM, and the other is Latika. Let's see what that is. Data motion engine. So I will just click on this to see what they look like. So this is basically you availing of different LLM models hosted on the gradient network. So not there are just two variants here. So you can test this out. It's also available on Apple, I believe, and so I believe this may earn you points. I'm not very sure. We will take a look at the parameters of season one to see what will earn you points. But let's just ask a question. Uh, are we when Yes. So you see that it's relying on these light nodes, these gradient light nodes. So that's the relevance of what you are doing. Okay. So that's one aspect of the new and updated gradient that you can test out. The other one is now I'll tell you, like I said, in subsequent videos, if it's going to earn you points. I don't know about that yet. So the other one is this Latika. So this looks like the Explorer of gradient trilatica. The narrative has really improved. It has really improved from what it once was. So this activity, I believe this particular activity will earn you points. So we are going to leave this one open. I don't really understand what this is, but now why do I say this activity will earn you points? Mm, okay. Why do I say that activity will earn you points? Because they've introduced season one and there's a documentation explaining season one. It says, so I think I started in season zero. Wow, they've also raised 10 million. So one may want to take this seriously while people are not. So I started in season zero. In season zero, there was nothing much than just running your light node. I didn't really leave it on for the most part. I didn't take it very seriously. So it says evolving from season zero, season one introduces reward structure upgrades that stay true to how Sentry nodes were designed to work, run on personal devices with minimal resource impact, no 24/7 attention needed, generate valuable insights into our global network infrastructure. You will now earn 10 points for every successful tap. A daily cap on tap rewards is now in place, 120 points per Sentry node, 120 points per day per unique address. Wow. So I don't know, if running this in on via one IP will work. No, yes, I don't know. Both limits apply concurrently, and your rewards will be capped once any of the limits is reached first. So I don't really know. One may need to verify this. At the beginning of season one, Sentry nodes will earn 0.15 points for every 10 minutes of uptime. Later in the season, we plan to gradually phase out uptime rewards, shifting incentive towards the generation of valuable network insights. So it's going to be harder to earn rewards over time. Now, okay, so bottom line, when you are using your PC actively, you can have the extension running. Now, if we go to uh, so you see my Sentry node is working. Wow, season one, I have zero rewards because I just came back here. Season one, I have zero rewards. Status. Okay, there is an interface here. Let's refresh this. So now it's suddenly running. So all along it hasn't been running. Let's expand. Okay. Okay, so rewards. Seasons. Okay, so if you scroll down, there are things you can do here to upgrade your tier and get more boost. I'm currently in gold tier. So keep in touch. So you'll be able to get this when you reach 72 hours of uptime, 1000 XP, up and steady 1000, tap master, receive 500 taps for the first time. So this one also has to do with being online. Okay, then season one, season zero. My nodes, I have one node. Okay, so this is something you can do as well. Connect your Twitter account. I'll do this offline. And that's about it for this video. To conclude with this video, if you have inquiries, ask me via airdropc.com. Simply contact me using the contact form on here. Then submit your email here to subscribe to Airdrop reminders. I'm working on 100 solid Airdrop prospects. Gradient is one of them. Each will have its own publication tutorial coming soonest to subscribers. So submit your email here. Contact me using this contact form, like I said, this Telegram and this Twitter. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials. Stay awesome, take action.